throughout the pandemic. They were able to successfully set us up with 2 hubs and integrate their new airplane, and keep us above national levels during the entire pandemic. So we really want to give them the opportunity to continue to provide that kind of service in pre-pandemic industry times. So that's really, in a nutshell, why we went ahead and.
So now that the city's made this recommendation, what's the next step?
So what we do is we officially submit the recommendation to the United States Department of Transportation, and then we wait for them to make a determination on the contract. So we put our comments in, and then it's a waiting game.